So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove a green screen in CapCut. So first of all, open up CapCut.com. From there you will need to create your account, and after that you will see this page. On there, go to the create new. Then you can see video, image, and magic tools. I'm going to be showing you through video, so it doesn't really matter what you choose. This is just for the aspect ratio, so I chose 16:9, and it opened up this video editor. So on here you can see media. You can upload some file to it, so or you can use some file they already have. So I just went to elements, and on here you can put in a photo, you can put in some stock videos, so you can try and do stuff with it. But in order to remove a green screen, so let's say I had a green screen on here. If I click on this, it's gonna open up a lot of things. So I can see my settings on here. I can see my settings in the top part of the page. And you can see here the option for smart tools. So you click on that, you can see auto reframe, retouch, and you can see the option remove background. So remove backgrounds in videos and photos. You can click on that. You can see auto removal, remove backgrounds automatically. So you can click on that and it will remove your green screen automatically, or you can choose chroma key, pick a color to remove it from the image. If you click on that, remove the green color, it will remove it from the image, and then you can add some other background to it. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on CapCut or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.